Feeling tired? Struggling to stay awake? We've all been there. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for boosting your energy levels and feeling more awake than ever before. You know those days when no amount of coffee can keep you awake? Like that one time I almost dozed off during an important meeting, or the time I mistook salt for sugar in my coffee because I was so tired. But don't worry, we've got a game-changing drink recipe for you. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of green tea, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of ginger powder. First, brew a cup of green tea. Then, add a tablespoon of honey. Next, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and sprinkle a pinch of ginger powder. Stir it all together and voila! Your energy-boosting drink is ready. Look at that color and the aroma. Absolutely invigorating. Now it's your turn. Share your tips for staying awake in the comments below. Have you tried this drink or have any other energy-boosting recipes? Let us know. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this drink lives up to the hype. Wow, that is refreshing and energizing. You've got to try this. So there you have it, folks. This drink is a game changer for boosting your energy and staying awake. Thanks for joining me on this energy-boosting journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and comment below with your favorite energy-boosting drinks. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more great tips and recipes. Stay awake, stay awesome.